Hello fellow traders and the upcoming traders, welcome to Kaviku FX trading channel. We are here to give you the correct and the guidance about trading. In case you are new here, consider subscribing, and you can type my name is Kaviku FX, and then you just go find there with this handle Kaviku_FX with 4.29 subscribers. These are my already uploaded videos. I would recommend you to just go and watch them in case you are new here. So today I'm prepared for you with the analysis for Euro USD. As our last week, the way we were trading, we were able to come up with the several arrangements and alliance with the trading, and we had to have different analysis. So TradingView is an app where you are able to do your analysis and you are able to gain insight on how the trend market is moving. Like the features that are already created there on the TradingView are there to enable you to do the further analysis, and this analysis you can do it in form of a line graph or in the form of a candlesticks. As we go in further and all delving to this point, we find that the Euro USD is just trying to consolidate between this point at this area. So we had to keep waiting for the market to show its direction. And when you are trading, you need to be on the capture of the high-low, where you'll be able to understand everything, how it goes. Maybe to use another video, another email that has not yet registered to TradingView, so that I can be able to do a clear analysis. You'll be able to understand it very well. As I'm going to talk about this Euro USD analysis, Euro USD TradingView. The analysis we can do it better on TradingView, where it has a lot of features, as I've said. If you want to trade and have that common knowledge, you have to master the art and mystery in trading. We have been following several trends in the market, where we have trends like such as the uptrend and the downtrend. Sorry, network in my area seems to be not cooperating so much, but I need to connect the Ethernet cable on my laptop. For example, if I were to guide you on the TradingView, I will say that these are the essential tools, the drawing tools. This one is good to draw that's the trend line. You can draw a trend line the way you want, and even you can customize it. Maybe you can make it red, you can make it the color that you want already. You can make it green. Let's use green for the time being, and we can also use the pixel. For mine, I'm using pixel, 1 pixel. So you can also customize the candlesticks, and they can be so appealing to your eye when you're trying to do them. Maybe we can customize them together. You find, like, for the uptrend, we are going to announce them using the blue candlesticks. That's how our chart looks like when we have already customized it. There's also another part where you can draw the horizontal line. For example, you want to draw that line, you use that. Let me change this pixel to be 1 pixel. Like it appears more organized when you are able to see it on that edge. Let me maximize my screen so that you can be, but in this case, allow me to put my favorite drawing tools. That we have the trend line. We can also have the Fibonacci. This is the Fibonacci retracement. The Fibonacci retracement. We can have, what else here can we have? we can have the, I can't see anything else. We can have, oh yeah, we can have the trend line. No, which one trend line? No, you're not going. Yeah, the head and shoulders, we can also add it to our favorite. The long position and short position. Also, we need to use the day range. Yeah, date range maybe, and we can use the data and price range at them, add into the favorite tools. Also we can use the drawing tool. Let me use this brush and our favorite is, so that you can be able to use it very well when we have maximized our chart. Yeah, in the part of trying to check whatever is going on, yeah, you have to keep everything as per our wish. Yeah, now we can have the comment, yeah, and we can have also the text. Yeah, I think those tools are enough for me to use them on the trading view. Maybe something that I've not added. Yeah, we have the trend line, the Fibonacci retracement, and the shoulder, long position, short position, the price, date and price range. We have the brush, the comment, we have the text. Let me see what I have not added already. Sorry, we are just forgotten our tool where you have the rectangle. You know, rectangle, when you are drawing the support and the resistance, we are able to see them very well according to our analysis. Maybe let me try looking for them on this drawing panel. Yeah, and as I can say, trading is as easy if you take it very serious and the seriousness it deserves. Yeah, we can use the eclipse for the marking points of the supports and resistance where the market keeps going lower, and also you have the path there. Now my tool is already clear, and I can save it, and we continue on with our trading. Yeah, so as I was explaining, this is I was talking about the trend line and also the support. Now as our analysis, the Euro USD, you need to go and also, sorry, something I have not come out clear. Like, yeah, there are several tools where you have to use. Maybe I would favorite candlesticks and also this line. Yeah, and then I'll be able to use them very well. Maybe on the time frame we can use the second. We can have, no, we can't favorite second. We can't be analyzing the chart using second. Maybe we use 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, that minute time frame. Sorry, my trading view is behaving this way because it's not a premium one. Yeah, I don't know why it's doing such a mess, but let me try to see what's going on here. It becomes hectic when you want to do something, to have the pink color. Maybe we increase the opacity so that you can be able to see it very well. Yeah, if you can see, it has applied the background Euro USD there. The channel we are customizing on the, or favoriting our favorite analysis, and we have that the 1 day time frame, we have the 4 hour time frame. Yeah, if I may say, yeah, we can save them. Yeah, so that's already on the lookout. So we are going to do our analysis. Now, when you want to maximize the screen on a trading view, you can maximize it there on the lower corner, on the upper corner, on your right side. So we are just going to use this as a line graph, and then we are just going to establish our support and resistance where we draw them using a rectangle like this one. Yeah, now that's what maybe I can reduce my pixel to be 1 so that it can be able to be seen very well. Yeah, for this that becomes the support. Maybe to name it becomes the support, and we can increase the font line to be 16 baby, and it becomes B. That way. Maybe we can use a black color, be so fine to annotate it. Yeah, so the support. So we can also use the trend line for the downtrend. Now, you know, like what has just happened here is the change of the trend. Now this one becomes a downtrend. Yeah, this point we can use it using the comment. This one becomes the support. Yeah, that's one is the support, and this one becomes the resistance. Sorry. Yeah. Now when you have used this line, we can also turn it to candlestick and we see it, but using this line enables you to draw very strong trend lines. Yeah. This is as we can see, this is already this move. Let me try indicating it. Yeah, this move is, let me customize it. I don't want too big, maybe customize this. Say this is a small downtrend. This is a downtrend. Yeah, already we have just annotated it. So now we can increase the bars and the screen becomes like that way. So when you want to see the larger scope of the market, you're able to see like this is there. This becomes the support where the market and also was gaining liquidity. Like you can see there is the higher end of the market. You can also draw the resistance there. Yeah, and on its higher high where the market managed to reach at the 0.11240.8. Yeah. Now this with the analysis for the Euro USD drawing those now this becomes the resistance, and this one becomes the support, as we have said. So whatever happens here, we would like to say the market is already like a small uptrend there. Sorry, my screen is disturbing me. To continue on this, we have the market already here. This is our 1 hour time frame, and looking the chart of the 1 day time frame, you can see the way it appears. But let's use the analysis using our 1 hour time frame. We can draw the support or resistance as well, very well, using our support and resistance. Now this one becomes, if you are able to identify the on the chart where the market just went so down, like in our case where we have it was able to go so down at the region 1.0533. Yeah, maybe if you want to say that point. So that becomes our, let's say, name it, that becomes our support. That becomes our support. And then maybe we can call this our resistance. Let's make it up a bit. This is the resistance. Yeah. So what's happening here? You can draw the trend lines there. This is a support. No, sorry, this is a resistance. This is a support there, a very strong one. So where they met, we expected the market to behave such that in this descending wedged shape, so like that way, then it was able to break this point, and the market kept going up and up, a small maybe we call it a retracement there, up, and then breaking our resistance. So we were able to see these points as a resistance. We can use the analysis tool for the one we call the Fibonacci retracement, and we are able to see whatever is happening already. So for your information, a Fibonacci can assist you in the model of drawing your pullback levels where the market's carrying out several retests and then the trend continues. This being this one being an upward trend, or maybe uptrend. Yeah, this one we can note it using an arrow so that you can be able to see it so well. Yeah, there. So Fibonacci is able to assist us in drawing the support and resistance, and also in terms of drawing the retracements, whereby we can say that the retracements, when it comes to a discussion, there is a discussion for a pullback and reversal. Talk the use of Fibonacci. The most significant difference between pullbacks and reversal is that pullback is a temporary, or while reversal is more permanent change in the direction of an overall trade. Pullbacks usually last for a few trading sessions, while reversal can signify a complete change in the market sentiment. A pullback is the same as the retracement in the essence that a retracement has a minor pullback or change the direction of financial instrument such as stock index. However, how to identify a pullback? A Fibonacci can help you. This is a Fibonacci. You can see it has several colors. You can customize this and be on the rainbow side, like rainbow colors, whatever colors you want. Right from the lower side, you have the 1, 0.7, 0.6. How you identify a pullback in a Fibonacci retracement, and you're able to identify it. Maybe you can try using the line graph there, then you draw where the retracements are taking place. That's the first retracement, like the scale is 1, then to 0.7, 0.6, 0.18, 0.5. 0.5 sorry, is the middle. Maybe we can customize our scale on the Fibonacci and make the text to appear. Yeah, we make the text to appear on the center and middle, maybe on the right. They appear on the right. Yeah, that one. Then the coordinates, visibility, style, this color, labels can appear on the right, middle, and there you have just customized. Now they are appearing here in the middle. Yeah, you can extend the markings on the retracement. Yeah, you know, like as we have said, we can maybe describe the Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci retracement is a technical analysis. Fibonacci retracement is created by taking two extreme points, extreme peak through the under trough. A Fibonacci levels are considered a predictive technical indicator, since they attempt to identify what the price may be in future. Yeah, how do you use a Fibonacci? Connecting 2 points that a trade view that is using the trade view are relevant, typical high point and low point. Now, as you can see, this is our low point here. Maybe we can mark it using a mark there. That's our low point. Our low points maybe are here. Yeah, we can mark them using that eclipse so that you can be able to see them very well. A low points there on the downtrend. They are there, and you know when the market is moving on this direction, that's a horizontal movement. When it moves down on this movement, this one, that's a downtrend. And when the trend changes, the shift in the market, maybe because of the market demand or the geopolitical events or the market economic trends or the recession, the factors that are already being affected in the market, that's an uptrend. And whatever is happening here, we have got to customize our candle, and then they are going to be like this way. Now you can change them. The uptrend is being represented, the candlesticks with the color blue, and the downtrend is all the bears are represented using the red candles. The bulls are the ones with the red, with the blue color, and the bears are the one with the red color. So this indicates that the market is already a trending one. So whatever was happening here, you would say if it breaks between this point, what was happening is that you can draw a trend line there, like that one, that way, and then that's our main trend line, and then another one here. So whenever they are coming to meet here, this is an ascending triangle, radial ascending, going upward. So whenever they are meeting, we find that they break between that point, and whenever they break this point, you find you have to continue buying. Now as I want to explain typical points, you have the market was just going up, creating, this is a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And what was happening here, maybe drawing a point of interest, you find in this point, in this channel, there was what we call a consolidation. Maybe we can name it using, this was a consolidation. So whatever was happening here, these were the market events and news that were coming on a Friday, and the market seemed to move very slow since the buyers or the sellers. Now buyers on the side of the bulls were so strong, such that they were very much willing to push the market higher, thus overcoming the bears. The buying pressure was still incoming. Now, talking of the dollar index, where we have the DXY, this is a US dollar index where it measures the strength value of a dollar against other major currencies. The index was created to help traders understand how the market or weak the US dollar in relation to foreign currencies such as the euro, Canadian dollar, and Japanese yen. However, the DXY affect forex markets. Look, for example, the forex pairs that are inversely correlated to the DXY. This means that when the DXY goes up, the currency goes down, and vice versa. Like the combination where we have talking of the correlation, that is a mutual relationship or connection between two or more things. For example, for the Euro USD, now the one that we are talking about, maybe you can customize it. Like my settings were just lost since I was not using a customized trading view, but this one would be so fine. Okay, you can see the background as a Euro USD. This is our 1 hour chart time analysis, and then we use our candlesticks there to make them appear so good. So what was happening there were the market news on the Friday, where we have the news where the NFP, non-farm payrolls, like the news app and whatever we saw wondering where you have to get the news. They have the Forex factory where we are able to get the news. There. The calendar events, how the market is moving on. Calendar there. Now, this is what you have to understand. As maybe to explain, this red represents high impact news. Red ones are yellow, or somehow that color represents the, I can say gold or yellow, represents the medium impact news. This one color, I can say it a brown color, represents the less impact news, or low impact news that are expected. Now, talking of a Friday at 3 p.m. that is the East African time for USD, we add the news. Maybe we customize at Nairobi, so we can customize our time using AM, PM. So this is what was happening. So we have to have an explanation about the trade, how it was going. Maybe we can take our calendar back last week. This was on Friday, and we were expecting the news to be like this way, an unfarm employment change. So we can get a small typical explanation of what was going on the Friday of that 3rd November. This is a small trading journal that was trying to explain about the NFP news. Non-farm payrolls are the measure of the number of works in the United States, excluding farm workers and workers in handful of other job classification. Now, on 6th of October, the data was as follows, as you can see. This was the US or New York session at 3:30 that is the EAT, East African time. The news was predicted to sell since I did not take time to understand them, I opted for a buy, which I ended up making very huge losses. This was so hurting, but what I can say, the trading is like other business. You have to incur losses and profit at the same time, or in the wrong run. During this time, the gold sold massively, and it was like water flow, like what we call waterfall. This point here, as you can see. So now drawing conclusion after the NFP, if they were predicted to sell, you have to sell, and then after the news, you have after the news are over in that hour range, the hour after the one you have made a sale, you have now to buy massively, since the news already announced. Now this was on 3rd of November, where the NFP signal was sent into my Telegram group. Maybe to get the end of my Telegram group, I can give an explanation. Here it is, where we call it Kaviku Blue Blizzards Community, and it's free of charge when you are joining. The goal in the market is just to make and ensure that you understand the typicalness of the market, whatever you want, and also whatever you expect in the market. Maybe waiting for this app to load. We have our channel here. Now, as I had sent the signal, let's keep patient waiting it to open. Now, as we were saying, now the interest gone. This was the signal that was sent for the gold. So we are waiting for the NFP, and this was the analysis already. So we had predicted the chart move there, and the market respected our direction. Getting ready for the NFP signal, we were buying. This signal was given at 11:30 a.m. that is East African time, and then we were to predict for the buy signal. So I was able to buy so massively, and the chart was able to move, the market was able to move all the way from 1986.31 to 1993 up to the 2000 level. As I can also give a prediction, we have that is the gold USD. That is a rebound. We have this was my channel on the Telegram. You can join whenever you feel like. Also, I will pin my link for the channel on the YouTube section, comment section, and you can be able to follow me for more updates and also the analysis. We eat the market together. So as we were talking about the analysis, the news were predicted on a buy. So upon breaking this resistance, we were to continue buying. And if we were to establish our new maybe using the long position, what was happening here, we were able to understand where our take profit will be. So the market just went in blues, such that we were able to make so huge profits. Maybe in analyzing that, what was happening in the market already. So we are trying to understand the market, whatever is happening, as we have talked, maybe capping on the what you call a recap. We have said the things to do with the retracement, the reversal. We have talked about support and resistance, the Fibonacci, the consolidation, the uptrend, the downtrend, the horizontal trend, and so many other. Be sure to follow me in all my social media handles. Instagram, you find me at Kaviku_FX. Facebook, you can also search me there, though I'm not so fan in Facebook. You can also find me in Telegram, where I've just indicated my channel is a Kaviku Blizzards community, where we are able to create a king of blues, and we become legends in the market. Folks, as I can say, this is a market already on a trending market, and these news were predicted to buy, so we were able to buy massively like no other. Like this, we could not say that it was Lahwaha in our side. Everything where as we expected. The same applies as to our prediction. Follow me for more updates and learning Forex together. We are here to make sure that we beat the poverty. See you with the next video.